So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Apple stock, ticker symbol AAPL, here on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left and press on markets right here, or go to the top right and press on the search icon, which I will do right now. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol AAPL for Apple stock. At the top here, AAPL with the US sign. If you're in the States, if you're in Canada, you want this to be Canadian currency, you can press the CA, but we'll go ahead and press AAPL. Once that is done, go to the bottom left and press on trade and then press on buy. Once you're here, you can select buy. You can do your session. You can change that. You can also change the order, limit or market, and you can change the price as well if it's a limit order. Obviously, too, you can change the quantity. And once that is all done and you want to purchase, press on the green buy button right here, and that is how you guys can purchase Apple stock. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Apple stock, ticker symbol AAPL on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.